Hello there and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Andrada and in this particular session, I'm going to give you the exam calendar of the year 2021 for the UPSC CAPF AC examination. And you all know what CAPF AC examination is about. It is the Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant's examination. So for the year 2021, what are the important dates that you should look forward to? I'm going to inform you about those things in this particular session. But before that, let me tell you that now if you want to prepare for the CAPF AC examination for the year 2021, you can obviously log on to our website ssbcrackexams.com or simply download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and subscribe to our CAPF AC course that we have for all of you. So you can prepare the course in full length with full content, and we have one of the best lectures and study materials for your preparation that will really help you in scoring the very highest in the CAPF AC examination, right? So let's look into the exam calendar, and this is very important because in this calendar there will be some important dates that I want you to note down and also to remember, because this will really come handy to you if you're going to prepare for the CAPF AC examination 2021. So the notification for the CAPF AC exam 2021 will be released on April 15th, 2021, and on the same date itself the online application for the exam will start, and it will continue till May 5th, 2021, which is the last date for the online application of CAPF AC 2021 exam. So the admit card you will get obviously 3 weeks before the exam. Okay, so 3 weeks before the exam, the admit card for the exam will be published, which you need to download and keep ready with you. And the exam date, and this is very important, the exam date for the CAPF AC exam 2021 will be held on Sunday, and it will be on August 8th, 2021. So August 8th, 2021 is the Sunday on which the CAPF AC 2021 exam will take place, and the result will be out somewhere in October or November 2021. So I hope that this exam calendar is quite useful for you, because this, keeping in all the important dates that I've just told you in this calendar in mind, you can start preparing for the CAPF AC exam 2021. Obviously we are there for your help, and you can obviously download all the video lectures, PDF study materials by just subscribing to our CAPF AC course by just going on to our website ssbcrackexams.com or by simply downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. You'll get all the full content lectures, the study materials for your revision and reference for your study purpose, as well as there are many quizzes which by attending you can obviously check for yourself how much progress you have made. There are mock tests available, there are sample practice Q&A and previous year's Q&A also for your benefit. So hurry up, download our mobile app right now and subscribe to the CAPF AC exam course. So I'll see you next with something more interesting and helpful regarding to the CAPF AC exam. Till then, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams and always stay motivated. Jai Hind.